Air conditioners installed in coastal areas suffer from corrosive environmental attacks. Especially, corrosion on heat exchanger diminishes the cooling performance, lowers energy efficiency, and shortens air conditioner lifespan. As a result, total cost of ownership increases dramatically. LG introduces corrosion resistance solution. LG Corrosion Resistance is specially designed to resist coastal environmental attacks such as ultraviolet, humidity, salinity, and pollution. It consists of ocean black fin heat exchanger and dual protection coating. The ocean black fin heat exchanger is the core part of LG corrosion resistance solution. Before assembly, each individual fin of heat exchanger is fully treated with corrosion resistant black coating and hydrophilic coating. Besides heat exchanger, core components of LG corrosion resistance are also protected by dual protection coating. Dual protection coating means both inside and outside of each component are shielded with double-layered coating. Here are some advantages of LG corrosion resistance. First, LG corrosion resistance significantly reduces total cost of ownership of air conditioning system. Second, the protection is certified by the Global Safety Organization, Underwriters Laboratories. Finally, LG corrosion resistance coats parts before assembly to ensure reliable and complete protection. With LG corrosion resistance, overcome any coastal environments.